Today I'm gonna show you how to install iOS 27 public beta on your iPhone. So because Apple just released it to the public, so you don't need a developer account. Now all you have to do, make sure you connect to the Wi-Fi and it is stable. And then you're gonna go into settings, go to general and click on software update. So just wait like a few seconds, you're gonna see this pop up. So it pop up iOS 26.5.2, but you need to click on beta update. And then you need to check on iOS 27 public beta. And now just slide back, you will see a new update right there. It is about 25 gigabyte, so it is a big file. So I think you may need at least 30 gigabyte of free storage on your iPhone, and then click on update now and follow the step, follow the instruction. You should be able to use the new version. And remember that because this is a beta version, you may encounter some bug or error on your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.